What's up guys, this is AK and in today's video I will be sharing with you guys a few ways to save battery on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first tip is to turn off background app refresh. What this feature does is it updates or refreshes the app in the background whenever it gets a chance to do so. So how this helps is when you go back to the app you previously opened, everything will be preloaded and ready for you to use. So turning it off limits all of that and saves a lot of battery. So the second tip is when you're not traveling or you do not need the maps, go to settings, privacy, location services and turn it off. So this way your phone won't be constantly looking for your location and this will save you a ton of battery life. My third tip is do not swipe up and close apps. I know it sounds weird, but it helps. When you swipe up to close an app, it somewhat resets the app you just closed. So when you open the app again, it uses Wi-Fi or cellular data and your CPU to restart everything again for you to use, thus draining more battery. So I guess it's a better idea to just leave the apps open in the background and let your iPhone handle the rest. Now if you're running low on battery when you're outside and you don't have a power bank to charge your phone, here are some things you can do to save battery. Number 1. Turn on low power mode. Go to settings, battery and click on the low power mode toggle to turn it on. You can also add a low power mode toggle to the control center by going to the control center menu inside settings. Number 2. Reduce the brightness. You can do that from within the control center or by going to the display and brightness section in the settings app. Number 3. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth if you do not need to use it. Once again, this can be done from within the control center or you can head into the settings app and turn it off. Now here are some tips to charge your phone at a higher speed. Firstly, if you want a faster charge, use an iPad charger instead of the one that comes with your iPhone. Since the iPad charger has a higher power rating, it will charge your iPhone about 2 times faster than your iPhone charger. Secondly, turn on low power mode so that your iPhone does not use as much battery as it normally does. And thirdly, if you want to make full use of the last few minutes of charging time you have before you leave your house, turn on airplane mode or shut down your phone completely. Turning on airplane mode disables Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, carrier signal and cellular data, therefore helping your phone charge faster by saving a lot of battery. So here are a few tricks that I use on a daily basis to save battery on my iPhone. If there are some other tricks that you use and I did not mention in today's video, please leave them in the comment section down below. I would love to read them. That is it for today's video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please drop a like on this video. I will really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and check out my other videos. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram at AKTechSpot and I'll catch you guys on the next one.